One more pattern before you go. This is going to be Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart here. Haven't looked at Bitcoin in a while either, but we have another bat pattern forming. This is going to be a bat, as I just mentioned, getting very, very tired here. Friday night, X to A to B, coming to our 50%, not the 618. B to C, got to double click, and then C to D, which we almost came to. So again, a nice little zone right here for your potential bullish bat pattern. If we look left, we can see that we're at a nice little structure shelf as well. Ooh, look at that. Make sure to hide stops below these lows, in my opinion. I don't know what's happening on Bitcoin. I'm not a crypto person at all, so I don't know if we're in a trend continuation mode or not. We may be. Look at that, actually. Let's take a look here. Higher high, higher close. What are we? When did we get back up here? I haven't looked at this chart in like it's the beginning of the year. Okay, well, yeah, if you're looking for a bullish continuation here on the bit of coin, this is a bat pattern, but bigger picture, this bat pattern is also a pullback, a complex pullback, so a multiple-legged pullback, right? Into our previous level of structure consolidation. Just like we mentioned with gold a couple weeks ago, if price is going to continue higher, this is probably the zone in which it's going to look to reverse. So nice excuse to take advantage of it.